Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the photo in a capable editor and duplicating the background so you don't lose the original. Once done, zoom to 100% and make a precise selection around the logo. Use lasso, pen, or quick mask depending on edges. You want a tight but slightly feathered selection to blend later. Make a new layer for edits. This keeps things reversible. Now you're ready to remove the mark without damaging surrounding pixels. You should attempt an automated fill first. Content-aware or similar often gives a solid base. If the result looks smeared, switch to spot cloning. Sample from 3-4 nearby areas to match texture and light. For repeating patterns or gradients, alternate between patch tool and healing brush so seams disappear. Make micro adjustments at 50-100% zoom. This ensures color and texture continuity. Once the patch blends, apply subtle dodge/burn to match shading and depth. You finish by merging visible layers into a new layer while preserving originals, then perform final color and brightness matching so the edit reads naturally at normal viewing sizes. Sharpen gently at about 1-2 pixels to restore clarity. Export as a high-quality JPEG or PNG. Keep a layered file for future edits. If odd textures or repeating artifacts persist, use frequency separation or reclone very small areas. This usually fixes stubborn seams without oversmoothing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.